Hi, this is Brian Newman, and this is my channel 5G Brio. If you have a great idea for 5G, the following is important information. With it, you may find a partner or some collaboration to help you move that next great idea for 5G to reality. There are many organizations, carriers, and even universities providing technology labs and incubators to entrepreneurs and startups with 5G-based ideas. The concept of a technology lab or incubator for 5G is to provide access to equipment, tools, and radio networks in a controlled environment. Through testing and results, it allows companies or individuals to receive support to develop solutions, services, and products that drive the economy with new jobs and new sources of revenue. A technology lab is a place where businesses can measure both innovation and its impact. The focus of the work is to measure the utility of services or innovation to end users, whether it's businesses, consumers, or government. The purpose is to build technologies that increase or create new revenue streams, improve or build upon existing business models, or allow existing solutions to scale quickly. A lab can be a physical space with necessary infrastructure such as 5G wireless connectivity, as well as a virtual space consisting of cloud-native architecture. Technology incubators are specially designed programs to help startups innovate and grow. They usually provide workspaces, mentorship, and education for entrepreneurs or aspiring business owners. They often include limited resources while developing ideas and operate at a lower cost structure while ideas are being built for real-world development. In 5G, technology labs and incubators can be supported through a combination of academic institutions, nonprofit development corporations, for-profit businesses, and funded venture capital firms. All of these may work alone or in tandem as part of a partnership. Academic institutions that support 5G technology incubators include universities. Many utilize college students in technology, computer, or business fields to help. This gives them exposure to the technology, while also added support for startups at low or no cost. Nonprofit development corporations may be government-funded businesses whose aim is to support 5G innovation and development. Often this is due to national interest, where the telecommunications industry is a major contributor to the economy. For-profit ventures are funded by private or public businesses. Many corporations are willing to provide funding for startups and partnerships where there's significant upside for revenue or market share. Then, venture capital firms may provide resources in the form of access to technology and lab resources where they believe there is significant opportunity or growth. Often, venture capital firms fund startups in exchange for equity or ownership. With this introduction to both technology labs and incubators, let's now turn to some of those that are supporting 5G today. Here are a few of the most prominent technology labs and incubators globally at the moment. This is not an exhaustive list, and likely if you research deeper into the area you're focused on for building 5G applications or services, you may find more specialized labs, product accelerators, or incubators. First here is the 5G Responder Lab that is a partnership between Verizon and Responder Corporation looking at 5G services and products for public safety. It's based in the US. The 5G Lab Germany is an academic lab that concentrates particularly on 5G for transportation systems. In the US as well, T-Mobile, Intel, and NASA have jointly funded the 5G Open Innovation Lab in Seattle for the development of 5G technologies. The initiative also provides help with access to venture capital. AT&T is a large US-based 5G network operator and collaborates with 5G companies in 5G areas that focus on Open RAN and network virtualization. Next, there's the Curiosity Lab, and the Curiosity Lab is a public-funded lab that provides real-world test lab equipment with 5G for both intelligent mobility and smart city technology. This is based in the US and includes academic support from Georgia Tech and the network operator support from T-Mobile. Ericsson, a large telecommunications network supplier based in Sweden, has a Silicon Valley-based lab focusing on edge and core cloud application development. There's also work in AI-based management of 5G networks there. New Lab is a technology lab that is focused on transformative technology. Verizon has partnered with New Lab in mobility, energy, and industrial automation solutions using 5G. In Belgium, Orange has the Orange 5G Lab. This lab serves to provide European startups the opportunity to build 5G services there. T-Mobile Ventures works with startups and new businesses in the US to drive innovation. In particular, they provide access to funding and capital. In the US as well, Verizon provides both labs and venture investment. Verizon has 5G labs across many major metropolitan areas and seeds investment in many startups. Finally, the Vodafone Innovation Garage in Germany brings students and engineers together, new ideas and innovation in 5G. There really are technology labs and incubators ready to assist budding entrepreneurs and startup firms with great 5G ideas, no matter where you are in the world. Are you one of them? I hope you are. Thanks for being here in my channel, 5G Brio. Please hit the like button if you found this video informative. Also, please consider subscribing for early access to the new videos that I post.